ships come in. I am your boat if you wanna catch me. Yes, I am your boat. Give me your ticket and sail with a smile, respectfully, and you might get what you need. Walls made of steel and moves like the wind, can't be more real. You're the sky so high, you're the breeze that blows by, you're all that I feel, so let's sail away. Take all your pains and troubles and throw them away. Just a stone in my ocean. I'll take you home. You're the wind in my sails. Let's have pure devotion, and we'll never look back. I know where I'm going. I'm the captain of my ship, and I'm gonna sail strong. Ports that I must find to satisfy my mind. So don't take too long to climb aboard. If you're not the sky so high, or the breeze that blows by, or the theme of my song, I'll pull back the ropes from the starboard port and bow, and I guess I'll move on and sail into the blue. Without you.